Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I will be creating a look for you guys using products by two great and high quality makeup brands, Stageline Pakistan and Gabrini Cosmetics. So both brands are operating under the same company which has been in the business for the longest time, and I've personally been using these brands and I've always been satisfied with the results. So Gabrini is a Turkish brand and is relatively cheaper than Stageline, but both are equally amazing, and today's makeup video will be a mix of both the brands and I'm very excited about it. I hope you guys like it and enjoy watching it. Let's get started. Guys, we all know how important skincare is, so we always need to make sure that our skin is well moisturized and well prepared. I've already done that, so I'll start off with a face primer. Whether it's a light coat of foundation or a full face of makeup, primer is an important first step. It will help your makeup last longer and it will really smooth out your skin. I'm using the Stageline primer. It has this velvety finish which feels very light on the skin, and because of its light and thin consistency, it gets absorbed quickly. Starting from the center of my face, working it out towards the cheeks, forehead and chin. I'm gently pressing it into the skin and I will let my primer sink into the skin, and in the meanwhile I'll start off with my eyes. I am now using this Gabrini Nudes 3 eyeshadow palette which has some really pretty colors like golds and pinks, and some classic colors like brown and black, and a few intense ones like reds and purples. So I'm using this brown eyeshadow and applying it on the entire eyelid. All the colors of this palette are so strongly pigmented and they're very easy to apply and blend. I'm applying the same brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line. And now with the fluffy blending brush, I will blend the shade I've applied on the eyelid as well as the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this black color from the same Gabrini palette and applying it close to the upper lash line as well as the lower lash line to create a smoked out effect. Always remember, the key to a beautiful eye makeup look is blending, applying and then more blending. To make my eyes pop, I'm using this Gabrini Metallic liquid eyeshadow in shade 01. It's a lovely silver whitish pearly color and I'm applying this right in the middle of the eyelid. This will add some sparkle and make it nice and beautiful. Gabrini has a nice range of liquid metallic shadows and all of them are long wearing and non-creasing. Moving on, I'm now using this black eyeliner pen by Gabrini. This is intense black and this pen has an easy control grip that helps you create smooth and even lines. This liner will last you all day as it is a long-lasting formula and it's waterproof. To open up my eyes and intensify my lashes, I'm now applying this Gabrini Volume Mascara. It's super black and it instantly adds volume and length to the lashes for all day wear. At such an ultra affordable price point, this is definitely a must-have. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using this Gabrini Visible Matte Foundation, and with the brush I'm applying this all over my face. I absolutely love the feel of this foundation as it's not thick or heavy, and though it's matte, it's not drying at all. It's a buildable formula and it's very easy to blend. Now to conceal and brighten up, I'm using this Stageline Magic Touch Concealer under the eyes and in the middle of my face. It's a very lightweight and hydrating formula and it perfectly conceals imperfections while brightening up the face. Blending this with a beauty sponge, you can use your fingertips, brush or sponge, whatever works for you. So my favorite product by Stageline for my favorite part of makeup, I'm now using this Illuminator Gold Shiner which has a creamy and silky texture and gives you that perfectly subtle glow and adds beautiful radiance. Applying this on the high points of the face, and I'm also applying this in the inner corners of my eyes to further enhance them. I'm going to set my makeup with the Stageline Formula 2 Compact Powder. I'm applying this in the center of my face, the T-zone where it gets oily, and under the eyes to avoid creasing. This powder gives a natural subtle finish and you can apply it wet for increased coverage. Moving on to the blusher, I am now applying this pretty pink blush on by Gabrini in shade 55. The product packaging is so appealing and this blusher gives an instant youthful and brightened up look. Just a few swipes of this blush makes your complexion look healthier and prettier. I'm now using the Stageline brown pencil to fill in my brows and give them a fuller appearance. Now let's add some more glow to the face. This beautiful 3-in-1 highlighter palette by Gabrini is such a good addition to your makeup kit. I absolutely love all the three colors. They're so pigmented and adds the perfect amount of glow to your face. So I'm highlighting the high points of my face, also the brow bone and the inner corners. Finishing my eye makeup with this Stageline Light Face and Body. It's a lovely iridescent loose powder, perfect for highlighting and to add luminosity. Lastly, to complete my look, I'm using two different lip crayon pencils by Gabrini. The shades are Lovers Rouge 004 and 002. As my eye look is prominent, I've kept my lip color soft and subtle to complement the overall makeup look. The texture of this lip crayon is hydrating, smooth and long-lasting. So guys, this was my makeup look with Gabrini and Stageline. I absolutely love their products and enjoy creating different looks with them. So I highly recommend these products to you. Both the brands are available nationwide at major stores, which makes them so accessible to everyone. And you can also check out their official pages on Instagram. It's gabrini.pk and Stageline Pakistan. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Give me your feedback in the comments below and stay tuned for lots more. Thank you.